Hello everyone, I'm Saumya from Saumya's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the snake cube. First, we pull two corners, we have to find them. Usually they are marked with some white circles. Just pull them until it's a snake like this. Then you have to flatten it up. In the snake cube, there are two W's. You want to see them? So the first one is here and the second one is here. So find the bigger W and make them into stairs. But the stairs shouldn't have any floor. See, now this has a floor. That shouldn't happen. It should start with stairs. So next, we just take these three blocks and flip them up. Try to keep it flat until I tell you. So next, we take these two blocks and again flip them. Wait, I'll show you an easy way to remember. This is an upside down U. You have to make it. Yeah. And now we take these two blocks and flip them up. Now we take these two blocks. We'll just pull it a bit here. And now take them and flip them inside. Now see, after this we make a 9, the figure 9. And now we just take these three blocks and pull them up like this. Now rotate it from this block or maybe this one. So we rotate it, just rotate, nothing else. Now find three vertical blocks attached to each other. Now see, I'll show you here and here. There are two. So the higher one, the one which is taller, flip it up like I'm showing you. So this is the higher one and I'm flipping it up now like this. And now the higher one are these and now I flip them up again. So that makes a 6. Now these open blocks, we just fold them inside. Now we got a 2, a 5, a 4 and a 3. So we just flip the model and now we got a 3, 4, 5 and a 2. So the 3 one, take the last block and push it downwards. Just push it downwards like this. And now our model can also stand. So now take these two blocks and fold them inside like this. And now take the L-shaped blocks I'm showing you. See, this is an L. So here we just flip it inside. And now we just flip the model inside again. Just like we did with the L. Just do it again. Now the model is like this. Just flip it like this. Like that. And now bring the model, smaller model, to the 9. The face of the 9. Like this. Here. So we are almost done with the cube. So now we take these three blocks push them inside like this. And now the only block which will rotate is this black one. You might be having it green, white, anything, but in my cube it's white one. In this line, that block will only rotate. So just pull it like that. Almost done. And now we just pull this upwards. Okay, like that. Now we are done with our cube. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos. You can see many of my videos, my songs, my drawings, everything. Please subscribe. Bye.